Jeep Grand Cherokee. Pros. 1. Off-road capability. The Jeep Grand Cherokee has a strong reputation for off-road prowess. It offers various 4x4 systems, including Quadra-Trac I, Quadra-Trac II, and Quadra-Drive II, which provide excellent traction and off-road capability. This makes it suitable for those who enjoy off-road adventures. 2. Comfortable and spacious interior. The Grand Cherokee typically features a well-appointed interior with comfortable seats and a user-friendly infotainment system. It offers good passenger space and ample cargo capacity, making it a practical choice for families and travelers. 3. Powerful engine options. Jeep offers a range of engines for the Grand Cherokee, including V6 and V8 options, which provide plenty of power and towing capacity. The availability of high-performance models like the Grand Cherokee SRT and Trackhawk offers even more impressive acceleration and handling. 4. Tech and infotainment. The Grand Cherokee comes equipped with a variety of technology features, including touchscreen infotainment systems with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, available premium audio systems, and advanced safety features like adaptive cruise control and lane departure warning. 5. Variety of trims. The Grand Cherokee offers a wide range of trim levels, from more basic models to highly luxurious and high-performance versions. This allows buyers to choose a model that suits their specific preferences and budget. Cons. 1. Fuel efficiency. The Grand Cherokee's larger engines, while powerful, can be less fuel efficient compared to some competitors in the mid-size SUV segment. If fuel economy is a top priority, you may want to consider the V6 or hybrid options. 2. Reliability concerns. In some consumer surveys and reviews, the Grand Cherokee has been noted for reliability concerns, including issues with electrical components and technology systems. However, it's worth noting that Jeep has been working to improve reliability in recent years. 3. Ride quality. While the Grand Cherokee offers a smooth and comfortable ride on the road, some drivers may find that it lacks the refinement of some luxury SUVs in its class. 4. Limited third-row seating. The Grand Cherokee is available with 2 rows of seating, offering seating for up to 5 passengers. If you need a third-row option, you might want to consider the larger Jeep Grand Cherokee L, which was introduced after my last knowledge update. Don't forget to subscribe and like the channel.